Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Dodge Rampage, and again I'm saying this is not 2023 or 2024 or even 2025's casting. This one, if I remember correctly, this is a 2019 casting. I saw it somewhere here in the back side of the card, but I don't remember where, but I do know for sure that this is around the 2019 casting. Let me, yeah, here it says 2020. Okay, it's 2020 casting, fine. So this, I bought this in Malaysia, not in India, and this was only one car available with that particular seller at that point of time when I bought this, and it was in the bottom of a, like a garbage, you can say. So the moment I saw this, I honestly never heard about this truck even in real life. So the moment I saw this, I was like, okay, I need to have this. So I immediately bought it. Okay, let's see. And it actually feels on the heavier side when you are holding it in your hand. Let's see. Okay. Wow, it is heavy. It is heavy. Okay. Me okay. So the first impressions of this casting, honestly, this casting looks really solid. As you can see, it has the Hot Wheels logo here. So it does have some paint job issues, as you can see. There are small dots here and there, and so it's like, like 4-year-old casting at this point, but still it is better than the recent castings which I unboxed. So it has a paint job here for headlights. Let me just see. Okay, that is actually not a paint job. That is a piece of plastic. It is not even acrylic. That is a piece of plastic. Let me just try to put some more light here so that you guys can see clearly. Okay, so the logo placement is really nice for a change, and so the whole body is metal. So the tricycle here, or what is that one, ATV, this is plastic here, and the chassis is plastic. Oh, that is really cool casting, and it has this hitch to hitch your whatever you want. So okay, so it doesn't have any tail lights here, but it does have some paint damage, you can see. Okay, honestly, metal normally disappoints, with the recent castings. Maybe one or two are really nice, but given that these are like 4 years old, and I don't see much of a damage apart from this one here, I can say this is a good one. And this is really heavy, if you ask me. I think somewhere around 35 grams at least. Let's see. So I hope you guys can see the interior here. It has some scratches on the windshield, but it's fine. It has wiper details, it has rear view mirror details. Everything is nice, honestly. Okay, let's do a weighing test. Okay, 40 grams, 5 grams more than what I was expecting. But for a main line being, it is, being 40 grams, that is really a nice one. I hope this rolls really well on the track. So let's do a roll test now. Okay, I don't see any wheel wobble. So here you can see some kind of paint chipping, I guess. Yeah, there's a little bit of paint chipping. I don't know if they didn't paint it, or they over painted on top of it, but that gives an illusion of the wheel is wobbling a lot. But it does roll really well. So someone actually gave me a suggestion, on my comment, that I need to use two tracks here, like this. But when I'm just trying to do that, you can see here, so the wheel touches on the right side, and it won't touch on the left side if I put it here like this, because it stays like this. I don't think so, because it gets hits in the center. But maybe monster truck kind of things might get an uh, advantage over that. But I don't think when it comes to the low ground clearance cars, I don't think that is possible. It does roll really well, and I don't see much of a noise or much of wheel wobble or anything. This looks really beautiful and really heavy. And if you guys like to mod a lot, this would be a perfect casting for you guys to mod. That is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.